Good morning. Let's share screen. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Friday, 1st of March, weekly APAC time zone release team meeting. I'm your host, Kat Cosgrove. And as always, this is a Kubernetes meeting, and so we need to comply with the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to just be nice to each other, please. There aren't any open discussion items. We did have the 1.30 mid-cycle retro yesterday, and it went pretty well. We got some good action items out of it. The end of cycle retro has not been scheduled yet, but we'll update this when it is. So we'll go straight into the team updates with enhancements. Do we have anybody here from enhancements? Possibly no. It is also 7 a.m. for Mohammed. Okay. I will go ahead and read it out then. Their status is currently yellow. They have 19 tracked for code freeze and 46 at risk for code freeze. We're a little bit less than a week out from code freeze. We did also go ahead and already get a preemptive exception request for code freeze, which is very nice of that one Kappa owner. I'll post that in Slack for this meeting. Next up is release signal.
Yes, do you hear me?
Yep, sure can.
Great. Yeah, we have a failing test at GC device plugin GPU master, which we are tracking it with SIG Infra. We are waiting for them to open a PR, and we will track it. There has been a failure in unit test. It was fixed today, but cherry picks are not merged for version 1.27 and 29. And we had one previous failure, the GC master scale correctness, which was relevant to the providers. One PR was merged regarding that, and the issue was closed, but then it was reopened today, and apparently 2 more PRs need to be merged regarding that.
Okay. Do you need help chasing anybody down for this? Is this PR that we're waiting to be opened by SIG Infra? Is that Mohammed, who said yesterday he would open it and then did not?
Yeah, I guess
Okay.
We are waiting for that person to open the PR. We will just track it in that thread in a Slack with the same person.
I will, I'll put some pressure on him as well then.
Yeah, that would be nice. Mm-hmm. And we have sent a reminder about code freeze for the one open PRs.
Cool, thank you. Perfect.
That's it.
Do we have any questions for release signal? Okay. Next up is docs.
Hey everyone, so the docs status is green. Nothing major from our side. Branching was more 13 hours back, and other than that, the team is preparing for the next deadline. So that's the update from our side.
Okay, cool. Y'all do know that you don't have to do branch syncs twice a week anymore, right?
Yeah, we will change the calendars. Currently, they are in the calendar, so the folks are doing it, but we'll remove some entries from the calendar so that folks are not pinged anymore to do the branch syncs.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Any questions for docs? Alrighty. Release notes does not have an update in here, but I think it's really unlikely anything has changed since their Wednesday update because they are, so they're waiting for the Alpha 3 branch creation in order to start their work. So this update should still be the same. That branch creation has not happened yet. They are likely still green. And next up is comms. Do we have somebody here from comms? Nope. Okay. Their current status is green. They have
sorry.
completed. Oh,
I was stuck on mute. My bad.
Oh, hi. Go for it.
Amit here. Yeah. So current status is green. We have finished following up with all the KEP owners for the feature blog opt-ins. The last 2 came in on the 26th. So everything is sorted for now. This is going to be pending that all of them go through the final stage,
Yeah.
and all of them manage to go through the code freeze. So currently we have 17 feature block placeholders in place, and we have now begun work on our mid-cycle block draft. We have gotten, we have received responses from 2 KEP owners, and the remaining ones we are working our way through the KEP details in order to create the feature block.
Okay. Do you need help bothering any of these KEP owners, or are y'all good?
Not yet, as far as I'm aware, and my
Okay.
conversation with Kristen is concerned.
Perfect. You're doing great. Any questions for comms? Okay. Nobody is here from Release Branch Management, but their update would simply be that the Alpha 3 cut happened and was successful. So that's all good there. The next cut is a beta, which means that we do need some of these CI signal PRs addressed before we can cut anything else, because we determined that they were not release blockers on an alpha, but they are for a beta. So release signal, do let me know if you need help bothering people. I will help chase down that SIG infra issue at least, because that's been going on for a while and they're lacking a little. Grace, I don't believe is here. It's okay. And SIG scalability also did not leave an update, not terribly unusual for the Friday meetings. I don't have any updates for you. I think everybody's doing pretty well and we're in a decent spot. Things are going smoothly. Mid-cycle retro was good. Does anybody have any questions for me? Okay. I will stop sharing. Is there anything else anybody would like to discuss on the recording? Okay. Stopping the recording. See you all on YouTube.